Here's a quick video I'm putting together because Dean Winchester is helping me figure out what's going on with my hammer releasing prematurely and basically on its own. He has in great detail on his YouTube channel an explanation of how this functions and the relationship and correlation for these two mechanisms. So basically what I'm trying to show is if there's spring tension on this hammer, this right here would be what I would think is the half cock position, which of course the hammer cannot release forward at this point. And then if you pull the hammer back, it goes into a full cock position. And man, it looks pretty good actually. So I'm not sure why it was releasing prematurely. You know, as long as there's spring pressure on the trigger, I can't pull the hammer forward. Obviously, I can release the trigger and the hammer should flow again. So if there's pressure on the trigger, that would be half cock. That would be full cock. And I really expected to be able to easily pull down on this hammer and get it to release, because if you looked at my other videos, this hammer will not stay in the full cock position. Now there are a couple of springs that get mounted and this one was basically like this. In this position, and this big one is basically here in this position. So hopefully there's enough clarity on here for you to see, Dean, what's going on. I've actually ordered some parts, whole bunch of parts from Wisner's, and also I found a hammer on eBay. Hopefully this video won't get edited because I said those two words. If you can see anything, let me know, because I'm baffled. Spring pressure on the trigger, half cock, full cock, and then what's causing my hammer to release when everything's fully assembled, I don't know. Is that too much play in the shoulder bolt? Is that too much play? I don't know. So hopefully this is helpful. Comment, let me know. Meanwhile, I'm waiting on a bunch of parts to come in, so I don't know what to do next other than wait and see. Thanks for your help.